say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hey guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sean. Karibuni sana. If you are a new viewer, kindly ensure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for considering coming back to watch my content, and thank you so much for appreciating what I do. So on today's video, without a lot of hullabaloo, I am going to be making chips masala, and I'm going to be showing you guys the simplest recipe of how to do it. So guys, stay tuned, ensure you watch till the end, because this is a very easy recipe, cheap, and you can make it like at your own comfort. So guys, ensure you stick with me to the video till the end, and like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like my cooking vlogs or what vlogs you'd like me to do. Somebody told me to work on my audio and have forgotten to use my mic again. I'm really sorry, but I'm trying to be audible enough. I'm literally shouting in the house.
So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong.
The first thing guys is I want to make sure my camera is as far away as possible from the potatoes because the oil is hot. And another hack. That did not go well. Another hack I wanted you guys to know, but the oil is hot. So we are just going to, there's something I wanted to do guys with the potatoes. Let me show you. So guys, I'm kinda in a hurry and I'm forgetting a lot of things. I want to put this egg yellow food color to the potatoes and also add some salt. I'm not going to put a lot of it. I'm just going to put a little and give it a mix, a warm mix. So the food color, then the salt. I've got my salt here. I also don't want that to go in too much. Just a little bit, and then give it a mix. I don't know if this will work out. My oil is too hot guys, and that scares me because nikieka hizi vitu nitaruka mbali sana. I'm going to jump. The mixer is not mixing, but the potatoes are jumping all over. But let's be patient guys, let's be patient. The basin is a little small, good enough, because you can see it's quite yellow. I hope you can see that. It's quite yellow, so let's put it in the oil. I'm going to be working on the ingredients, and today I'm against the light. So today I'm going to be using this bell pepper, 2 onions. So in Najwa onions vile it's expensive. Then in dania or parsley, and then tomato paste. We're going to be putting tomatoes in there. We'll use the paste instead. And also I want to add majina chicken, but it's garam masala in here. Hizi za kupima. I'm going to be using garam masala, and we are also going to be topping up with this smokies that I got at I got at a relevantly cheap price, so I'm sure it's the original. Kwanza ni za 10 minutes. I can really test them. Maybe the brand might work with me in future if I give them a good recommendation. So they are cooked and ready to eat. Therefore, we're just going to shallow fry them as well. what you're gonna do, don't put too much oil, because remember the fries already may soak some oil, so we don't want too much cholesterol in our bodies. So right now I'm frying the sausages together with onions. I also don't want the onions to turn golden brown, so I'm going to add my bell pepper immediately. I actually wanted the yellow and red bell pepper, but where hii moja peke yake ni 40 bob, so I was like, nah, I can't get 2 of them, so one will do, because I thought the fries will be yellow. Nikasema hakuna haja to buy the yellow one now. So this one is giving like the vegetable effect, and I like them as raw as possible. So almost immediately, I'm just going to add my fries, the tomato paste, and every other thing that is needed. So despite the challenges here and there, I have managed to finish, and the food looks really delicious. So if you want to see how it looks like, or my own review of how it tastes like, subscribe and like this video. Like this video for a reveal on how it looks like, although mshaona. And I will leave the ingredients in the description box. Remember, si lazima utumie smoky, trust me, it is not a must. If you have meat, you can substitute with meat, pork, chicken, substitute with even vegetables on the side, but do not mix. You can make like salad hapo kando and accompany it with. So thank you so much for watching this video. You know, when I was cooking, actually I realized that those who have subscribed to my channel actually see the potential in me and believe in me as a future content creator, like a big content creator, and that means so much to me. So honestly, kama umesubscribe kwa channel yangu, thank you so much. Road to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. That was in my vision board, and only you guys can help me make that vision come to life. So thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to always keep it locked and keep it short. Bye.